Okay, hey guys, my name's Carmen. I'm a second year med student, and I just learned something really cool about the human body. So, when women are pregnant, their bodies change, obviously, like we know that. But what we see is their bellies growing, but we don't see everything else that's happening, like systemically, for them to carry that baby. Okay, first off, starting with like cardiovascular changes. So the body will actually vasodilate and decrease like systemic vascular resistance, and that increases cardiac output. So what that means is that the body is getting like more blood, like the heart is pumping out more blood, and it does this so that the placenta can actually be transfused and that the baby can receive all the nutrients. So that means that they have like a higher heart rate, and it's all to support the fetus. The next thing is that there's actually an increase in insulin resistance and secretion. So this means that the body is saving all of the glucose for the fetus to use as energy. It also increases like thyroid binding globulin protein and increases the mother's metabolism so that the baby can grow. One of the really cool things I learned is that pregnant women actually develop joint laxity, which means that like their joints can move easier, and this is to facilitate the descent of the fetus. The kidneys will also like increase in function so that it can filter the baby's urine waste essentially. And also like babies can't breathe, right? So gas exchange happens in the placenta, which means like oxygen goes to the baby and carbon dioxide comes back to the mom to get rid of. So in order to do this, the mom actually is chronically hyperventilating to blow off the carbon dioxide from the fetus. The human body is so freaking cool.